So guys, a quick recap. What I did last time is I showed you how to fix it, which was holding that down twice. Right now, holding that down for 5 seconds, which means you'll hear 2 beeps. Right. Beep, boop, like that. You want to hear 2 of those while you hold it down. And when you hear that, it should come up the options. You connect it to your PlayStation USB cable. It's pretty cool. Then you connect it, and you want to insulate your PS4. Not the last one where it's installed software, just insulate it, and then you eventually come to these options, and I gotta put on my internet, and I go hide this. Okay. Boop, beep. Everybody knows. I mean, I don't like little holes. Fuck me. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, it's working again.
Yeah, I got it fixed and recorded this.
You what?
I recorded and then fixed it.
You what?
Recorded it! I'm sorry my voice sounds funny because Karen broke my nose with a doctor. And I was like, ooh, what are you gonna say?
Skip.
Fixed everything. Do you know how?
It was a fist bump.
No.
Do you want breakfast?
London, Dublin.
London, yeah.
Media playback. Not sure, no. When you're on your own screen or when your applications. No time limits. Yeah, stay connected to the internet. Okay, I'm just gonna keep deleting these. That's okay. Okay, whatever it says, user 1, boop. PlayStation should be back to normal, you'll have everything. So then what you want to do, what it means at the bottom where once you sign into PlayStation Network, what you don't want to do is you want to log out of ps4. I just want to re-sign into all your accounts. Boop. Create a user, accept, skip that, definitely skip that. Give them a load. Sony's. Oh shit, nope. Yeah, if you click skip option, make you get new accounts. Something like sign PlayStation Network. Just put in your email, put in your password. You can go on the PlayStation website and you can do a bunch of other stuff. It's so accessible. You can just call it PlayStation, right? Or you can go on the PlayStation website and look for your accounts there. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. This was part 2 of how to fix your PlayStation. If you haven't watched part 1 and you don't understand this, well then watch part 2, and if you're watching part 2 and you haven't watched part 1, go to part 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.